Hello everyone. In this video clip, we will understand what is debugging in program. Once we write the program, the next step we do is we run the program. If no errors, we will be getting the desired output. If any errors are there, we need to correct those errors in order to get the correct output. What is this process of correcting and identifying the errors in the program? This process is called as debugging. Debugging is a process of identifying and removing the mistakes called as bugs. The other name for errors is bugs. So removing those bugs from the program is called as debugging. Now, what are the different types of errors you encounter? There will be syntax errors, logical errors, and runtime errors in the program. First, we see what is a syntax error. Each and every programming language will have their own set of rules and regulation which determines the syntax of the program. The interpreter interprets the statements only if it is synthetically correct. That means if a programmer is following the rules of those programming language, then there will be no synthetical mistakes. What are syntax errors? Syntax errors are the errors which occurs when user disobeys the rules of regulations of programming language. Look at the example. First, print sun. You can look there. Double quotes is missing. Sun double quotes is missing. It is a syntax error. The next one, print P is uppercase. It is a syntax error. A equals 10 where semicolon it is also if a is greater than b you should terminate it with colon, again it is a syntax error. Print, there is closing parenthesis missing, so it is a syntax error. Second type of error is logical error. Logical error is a error in the program that causes it to behave incorrectly. So whenever there is a logical error in the program, you will get the output, but output will not be correct. The program will run without the termination of the execution, but there will be wrong in the logic of the program. Look at the example. A is 10, B is 20, C is 30. 10 a plus b plus c by 3. According to the priority operator precedence, divide symbol will be solved first. So you will get output as 40.0. When brackets a plus b plus c, when it is enclosed with parentheses, then you will get the correct output. So logical errors are the errors in the programming language where you will get the output, but output will not be wrong, will not be correct, and there will be some mistake in the code of the program. The last type of error is runtime error. Runtime error causes abnormal termination of the program while it is executing. That means it suddenly stops the execution of the program. Runtime error is one when a statement is correct synthetically but interpreter will not execute. For example, the best example is divide by 0 error. A is 20, B is 0, A by B. Look at the error, that is divide 0 division error, integer division or module by 0 online. So this is an error. Look at example 2. A is 10, B is a string, that is high. We are trying to divide A by B. We call it as type error. This is a type error which comes under runtime error where the mistake in the code. Thank you for watching the video.